Gorse, also known as Ulex europaeus, is a shrub that is native to Europe but is now found in many other parts of the world, including North America, Australia, and New Zealand. Gorse is often grown as an ornamental plant due to its bright yellow flowers, but it can also be grown as a hedge or as part of a mixed border. Planting. Gorse is a hardy plant that can grow in a range of soils, but it prefers well-draining soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.5. It is also tolerant of salt and wind, making it a good choice for coastal gardens. Gorse can be planted in either spring or fall. To plant a gorse, first, choose a location that receives full sun. Dig a hole that is slightly larger than the plant's root ball and fill it with well-draining soil. Plant the gorse at the same depth it was growing in its container, and water well. Pruning. Pruning is an important part of gorse care, as it helps to promote new growth and keeps the plant looking tidy. Gorse should be pruned in late summer or early fall, after the plant has finished flowering. To prune the gorse, first, remove any dead or damaged branches. Then, cut back the remaining branches by about 1/3 of their length. This will encourage new growth and help to maintain the plant's shape. Maintenance. Gorse requires little maintenance once it is established. However, it is important to water the plant regularly during its first year of growth to help it to establish a strong root system. After that, gorse is drought tolerant and requires little watering, except during extended periods of dry weather. Gorse also benefits from a yearly application of fertilizer in early spring. Use a balanced fertilizer and apply according to the manufacturer's instructions. In addition to regular watering and fertilization, it is important to keep an eye out for pests and diseases. Gorse is relatively pest-resistant, but it can be affected by spider mites, scale insects, and caterpillars. If you notice any signs of pests, treat the plant with insecticidal soap or other appropriate treatment. Conclusion. Gorse is a hardy and low-maintenance plant that is well suited to a range of garden settings. With proper planting, pruning, and maintenance, gorse can be a beautiful addition to any garden. Whether you are looking for a striking focal point or a windbreak for a coastal garden, gorse is a versatile and attractive plant that is sure to delight.